Hello everyone. Welcome back to the AWS Certified AI Practitioner Bootcamp. In this module, we are going to cover Amazon Fraud Detector, a fully managed AI service from AWS that makes it easy to identify potential fraudulent online activities. This service is listed as in scope for the AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam, and recently some of our students reported to us that they encountered questions on Amazon Fraud Detector. As we promised, we keep the bootcamp always updated and make sure you know exactly what it does, how it works, and what the exam expect from you to understand about Amazon Fraud Detector. Let's start with the roadmap for this module. We will start with why we need Amazon Fraud Detector and what problem does it solve. Then we will review Amazon Fraud Detector and how does it work. We will then dive deep into Amazon Fraud Detector's key feature, followed by available machine learning model types in Amazon Fraud Detector, then Amazon Fraud Detector's real world use cases. Then we will review the integration techniques and pricing. And before completing the module, we will review some exam style questions. And finally, we will wrap up with a quick summary and some certification tips. On behalf of the Cloud Expert Solutions team, I would like to thank you for joining us and selecting this bootcamp. I hope you are as excited as I am. Let's jump in. Before we talk about the solution, let's understand the problem. Online fraud is a massive and growing challenge. Businesses face fake account registrations, payment fraud or stolen credit card transactions, also account takeovers, and abuse of promotions and loyalty programs. Historically, companies tried to fight using rule based systems. For example, if the transaction is over $500 and from a new device, then flag it as fraud. However, these rules are static and does not scale. Moreover, fraudsters learn to game these rules. Overly aggressive rules, on the other hand, can end up blocking legitimate customers, which will kill the revenue and trust. Manual rule creation is also very slow and expensive. This is exactly the kind of problem that machine learning is designed to solve, and that's where Amazon Fraud Detector comes in. Now let's review what is Amazon Fraud Detector. Amazon Fraud Detector is a fully managed service that uses machine learning to identify potential fraudulent activities in real time. What makes it special is that AWS has backed it over 20 years of Amazon's own fraud detection experience, the same technology that protects Amazon's e-commerce platform, and now they made it available to any AWS customers. The important point to remember here, you don't need to be an ML expert. You don't need to build or tune machine learning models from scratch. Only you need to bring your historical data, and Amazon Fraud Detector trains a custom model for you to support your business case. It supports both a real-time prediction and batch prediction. Now let's start with the key components of Amazon Fraud Detector that you must know for the exam. To start with, event, the activity you want to evaluate for fraud. As an example, a transaction, it could be online payment, account sign up, or any login attempt. Next is event type, a template that defines the structure of an event. For example, maybe a payment event must have an payment amount, IP address, device type, and card type. Moving on to the third point, which is entity. Entity is the actor who is performing the event. It could be a customer or it could be an online system. Next is labels, which is nothing but classification of historical events like fraud or legitimate data. The ML model will train on this label data. Then we have model. Model is the machine learning model that will be trained on the label data you will provide. Next is rules. which is business logic that will be applied on top of the model, then the detector, which combines model plus rules to produce a final decision or outcome, and last but not least, outcome, which is the final decision produced by the detector. It could be either approve, review, or block any transaction. Now let's review how Amazon Fraud Detector actually works. The process has 5 main steps. First, you start with exploring data models for your business use case. Then you define the event you want to evaluate for fraud. Then you upload your historical event data, for example, maybe past transactions labeled either as fraud or legitimate. The fourth step in this process is create a detector. In this process, Amazon Fraud Detector uses AutoML behind the scene to select the best algorithm and train a custom model on your data. And as we discussed with the key component, at the detector phase, this is where you combine your trained model with business rules and you define the final step, which is integration. You can integrate via API. That means as new events comes in, like a transaction of a new account registration, you send that to the detector and you get back a fraud score and recommended outcome like either approve, review, or block. Amazon Fraud Detector does not use a one-size-fits-all model. It offers 3 purpose-built model types, and choosing the right one is very important. The first one is Online Fraud Insights or OFI. This is great for detecting fraud at account registration or online purchasing events. The next one is Transaction Fraud Insights or TFI. TFI is optimized for high volume payment transaction scenarios where speed and accuracy both matters. And the final type is Account Takeover Insights or ATI. As the name suggests, it focuses specifically on detecting when a legitimate account has been compromised. For example, when a fraudster uses stolen credentials for login. All the 3 model types combine your own historical data with Amazon's global fraud intelligence, meaning the model is not starting from zero. It already understands fraud patterns at scale. Each model type is purpose-built for a specific fraud use case we have discussed, and AWS uses supervised plus unsupervised learning technique, or it is using a hybrid approach to detect the fraud. For the exam, just know these 3 model types exist and each one's target. Amazon Fraud Detector is not just for banks. The use cases span almost every industry. In e-commerce, you would use to stop fraudulent purchases with stolen credit card. In financial service, to flag suspicious wire transfer or account openings. In gaming, to stop players from abusing promotions or creating fake accounts. In healthcare, to detect fraudulent insurance claims. In travel, to protect loyalty programs from point theft. And for SaaS products, to stop people from spinning up dozens of fake trial accounts. Now, what all these have in common is that they involve high volume, real time decision making where machine learning significantly outperforms traditional rule based approaches. It continuously improves with more data over time and it can scale to millions of events per second. Now let's cover how you would actually integrate Amazon Fraud Detector in real life applications. The primary integration is through Get Event Prediction API. Your application sends an event in real time and gets back a fraud score and an outcome within milliseconds. For processing historical data in bulk, you would use batch prediction mode. You can also connect Fraud Detector to Amazon Event Bridge to trigger downstream workflows. As an example, you can automatically send a fraud alert to your security team when an outcome is blocked. For serverless architectures, AWS Lambda is commonly used to orchestrate these fraud checks. On the pricing front, you pay only for the training compute hours and for each prediction API call. There is no upfront cost, and Amazon Fraud Detector has a free tier for you to evaluate before applying to production use cases. From a security standpoint, all data is encrypted at rest and in transit, and you use IAM role to control who can access your detectors and the models. It also supports VPC endpoints for private connectivity. Now, here is an assignment for this module. Please pause the video here, analyze the problem, and evaluate all the options. Then post your answer as comment to this video. Optionally, you can write 1 to 2 lines supporting clarifications on why do you think your selected option is correct. We read every comments and response within 24 hours. If you struggle to determine the correct answer, please review the video one more time and take necessary notes. Now we came to a conclusion for this module, so now let's wrap up. Amazon Fraud Detector is a fully managed AWS service that brings the power of machine learning to fraud detection process without requiring any machine learning expertise and infrastructure management. You define your events, label your historical data, and let Fraud Detector trains a model for you which combines with business rules in a detector and call the API in real time. It supports 3 model types for different fraud scenarios. Amazon Fraud Detector uses AUC or area under the curve as its evaluation metric, and it is powered by Amazon's own 2 decades history of fighting fraud at scale. You can use it for a real-time detection and batch mode. And here is a single sentence for you to remember Amazon Fraud Detector. Please stay tuned and explore other modules from the Bootcamp playlist for a comprehensive understanding of the topics required for the certification. That wraps up this module. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more update, and feel free to drop any question or feedback in the comments. We would love to hear from you. I hope this session helped you gain a deeper understanding and brought you one step closer to your learning goals. Thank you very much for watching and learning with us at Cloud Expert Solution. See you in the next module.